Now it's like 55 quid for my phone bill and a tenner for my bus pass